Do you want your reminders to stay quiet when the not disturb is on or still alert you anyway? On your Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can control whether reminders make sound or stay silent while the not disturb is active. Let's see how to adjust this option. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Settings icon, scroll down the screen, tap Notification, tap Do Not Disturb. Next, tap Alarms and Sound, find Reminders, then toggle it on or off. If this option is on, it means that reminder sound and vibration are allowed during DND, while if this option is off, it means that reminders alert are mute when the not disturb is active. And that's how you manage reminder notification while the not disturb is on. It's perfect for staying focused or resting without missing what matters. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.